Hey guys, ETech here. Today we'll take a look at the Galaxy Watch Active 2, so unboxing and the first look of it. So I have the 40mm and the black one. There's also the 44mm one available with all the other colors, like there's aqua black, cloud silver. I love the aqua black, cloud silver, they're pretty good, I recommend those. And if you're interested in picking this up, the link, you take down the link in the description below, and let's get to it. Alright, so with our Active 2 here, we're gonna unbox it. So before we begin, I'm gonna compare this design to my Galaxy Buds first version of it. Since I got this the first year it came out, like a year after my S9. Alright. So it's pretty cool, very similar design with this Samsung logo on these tag things right here. And the same here, the name, Active 2, the buds, and the other boxes they have for the accessories. Pretty much. So now let's open this up. So we take the cover off here. So for ourselves the manual, which we don't really need. It's just all the paperwork and information. We don't need the manual. Yep. See ya. We don't need ya. So right here we got ourselves a little cylinder of stuff with our good old little charging pack, which we'll leave down the side here. With this over here, and then we got to watch itself. Well, it's pretty good. This is my first time ever seeing this beautiful thing before. So this is first look impression. There's like nothing. It is pretty cool. I like it a lot. This is again the aqua black. There's other colors like rose gold, cloud silver, and yeah. But if if there were no aqua black or black in general, I'll just pick silver because that's closer to dark color than the other one. The other one's very light. This only black. Aqua black is the only dark one, and I like these colors because most of my stuff I have are dark. That's why. So yeah. Just do a little put on here. I think it's pretty good. I feels great, telling the truth. Let's turn this bad boy on. I believe you use this button over here. There's a button. There's no button. This button over here. It'll work. Yeah, are you working or I mean this button? I don't know. Well, here it is. You can't really see. It's blurry. Well, it does say Samsung Galaxy Watch Active, and I really do need a new camera. I'm using Canon camera, which is pretty old. I believe it's I forgot the name of the camera. Oh yeah, it's pretty bad. You can't really see the thing with the logo. All right, we got the setup screen. I know you can't really see it correctly from far away, but yeah, we got a setup screen here. That's better. Yeah. So let me set this up and get my phone. Samsung S9, my best phone I have so far, and it works pretty well. Okay, so I'll go through the setup process and get the apps open real quick. Alright, so let's go, shall we? So, Active 2 is a very good wearable app, which we have right on the phone right here. Press that, add a new device. And this is the Galaxy Watch Active 2. So pretty much scroll down until you see the Active 2. And ready to connect. You just literally wait for it to connect. Alright. Connect. So now let's turn it up. so we're just gonna wait a while. And it's pretty quick. It's going to be really quick. Wow. To download the apps you're gonna have and everything. So you can like download your face and all that. Before we continue, I'm waiting for the setup to be finished. Let's set on old watch, the Thick Watch E. It's a good watch. The band I broke like twice. Yeah, it's a good watch, but it's very fragile. Very, very fragile. There have been a lot of incidents with it being burnt screen. So, if you plan to get the don't make that watch anymore. It's like old Thick Watch. But there's like the Thick Watch E2, so you can get that if you want. It's like a cheaper alternative to what the watches are like Samsung or Apple Watch. But I mean, I need an upgrade pretty soon. I was planning on upgrading 2 years later, but nothing broke for a reason, right? I'm just kidding. But yeah, it all looks aside. The Thick Watch E is pretty good. So slow wipe my left. It'll de-wood it. Slow wipe my right. And swap again to my right for notifications. Then go back key right here. Then go to my home key right here. This button right here. So and then I can swipe down for notification hub, whatever. Then you can touch screen with your palm, turn it off. So no, that worked very fast. Okay, that's it. You're good to go. Nice. Thank you. It's anything for the tutorial. Yes. I want to take the thing. Want update. Alright, you know what? I'll do it later. And go home. So I can do pretty much all this. Pretty cool. On it when the got active, the got watch came out. I really wanted it. It looks cool. Well, that's an old watch now. Well, this is the active too. So, and remember, this is the Bluetooth. There's also an LTE version of it, so you can get like mobile data on that using your phone. So home for that. There's other watch faces that you can have too. And yeah, it's a pretty cool watch. Alright, this was the Samsung Active 2 unboxing and first look. Remember to check the link down in below if you're interested in picking this up. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, it'll be considered if you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell to be notified of future tech videos like these. Also, subscribe to my main channel, Canadian Gamer, and follow me on Twitch at twitch.tv/Canadian_Gamer23. All my social links, including those links, will be in the description below. Check those out. And hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!